Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have another unboxing. It's quite a large box to unbox. This came over from my friend Chris over at the Watch Lounge. I'll leave a link in the description to his channel. Go check him out. And so what's in here are two watches from RZE, I believe, and then also a watch loaned in to us from Peter C. I'll leave a link to his Instagram account. Post a lot of good watch pictures over there. And also, I believe his watch in here is for sale. I'll confirm that with him, but I believe he's selling it. So if you're interested in it, just hit him up on Instagram. And either I can ship it to you if I still have it at that point, or yeah, we'll figure something out. So anyway, let's get this open. Why is there a Timex in here? Might have gotten our wires crossed. It might be the same one I had already. I don't know. Okay, this is the one I was expecting from Peter. It's the G-Shock. It's a 2100 Casio, but with the metal bezel. So whatever model that is, I don't know yet. Well, I might know, but I probably forgot. Anyway, I'm pretty sure this is. I already had this watch, and I'm not sure if I released the video yet. Yeah, so Timex Waterbury with the sector dial. I'll send that one back to Peter. But anyway, yeah. All right, let's get to the G-Shock first. So I really appreciate Peter lending this into us, because I was considering buying one of these. And actually I rebought the Casio I had. How many of those did I had one of them. Yeah, I had the one with the camouflage. And then I had one loaned in from Random Rob, the stealth dial, and then I had a red one loaned in from Chris. So I've had a few of these, and I've since purchased another one somewhere. I gotta find it because I want to compare it to this one. This is a lot lighter than I was expecting. I thought it would be heavier because it has a metal bezel, but it's not. So it's interesting. Yeah, actually I bought a metal bezel and a bracelet kit for the other 2100 that I had. And it's my understanding that this bezel does not interchange with the 2100, the plastic one, or resin, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, this is cool. I was expecting to see a second hand ticking, but there's no second hand on here. So there is the day and time, digital and analog, of course. So yeah, very nice. All right, let me set this to the side. Then we'll take a look at the RZE watches. Quite a large box here. I actually purchased one of these myself a while ago, and I just haven't gotten around to creating a video about that one yet. So let's see which ones these are. Maybe if they're different from what I have, I can compare them. Oop, something's moving around in there. So it looks like it comes with a screwdriver. It is branded RZE. Looks to be a leather case here. I don't know if it's real or not. Okay, let's see what one this is. I think they have the Endeavour I can't remember. You have one with the bezel and without the bezel. And this feels to be titanium. Used to be H-link style with screw pins. That one's sticking out there. Yeah, it's definitely titanium. It's nice and lightweight. What is the name of this watch? Titanium bezels are kind of, it's not what you'd expect. It just feels so light. I don't know if it doesn't say anything on here. Oh well, I guess I'll have to look it up and I'll put it in the video title. All right, let's set that one there. We'll get this other one open. Okay, no screwdriver in that one. Oh, this looks interesting. Oops, sorry, you can't even see what I'm looking at. This feels to be FKM rubber. FKM rubber is very nice. Feels very nice on wrist. Or natural rubber. Definitely much better feeling, in my opinion, than the silicone. So this one I'm pretty sure is an automatic watch. Yeah, I think I said that on the dial actually. Yep. So that one has come to life. Screw it back down. There we go. This one here. Okay, sapphire crystal, 200 meter water resistance. Ultra hex titanium. Okay, I thought it was a mecha quartz, but I didn't see that second hand moving. Maybe I just missed it. Seems like that should be moving. Okay, so this must be the one without the running second hand. So this would be your 24-hour indicator, and then that is the chronograph minute, and then the center second hand is your chronograph second hand. So some of the mecha quartz movements have a running second and some don't. I gave away my Pagani Daytona homage that had a mecha quartz in it, but I'm pretty sure they usually have a running second. So anyway, I'll put both of these on wrist and then we'll close out the unboxing. Sorry, I've gone along with the unboxing video again. I gotta do a better job of shortening these up. Okay, so let's get this one on wrist. I'll size it up for the full presentation. I know they make this watch with and without the bezel. I'm pretty sure it's called the Endeavour. And I don't know what this other one's called. All right, let's get this one. Actually, do I need to? Yeah. Sometimes I can just slide them right off wrist if they have all the links in. Usually I'm not a fan of black PVD coated watches, but this one looks pretty cool. I like it on this strap too. That buckle branded. Yep, has an R on there. It's funny, it looks like plastic, but it feels like metal. I wonder if it's titanium. It feels pretty light. Come on. There's some nubs on here to keep that keeper in place. Then the other keepers down here. I would prefer it if it had a hole in here to retain the keeper or keep the keeper in place at the end of the strap there. Anyway, here we go on my, again, 6.5 inch wrist. The camera. There we go. And we'll zoom back out. All right, sorry, went a little long on the unboxing. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Like the video and leave a comment below. You know, when I was messing with that crown, it almost felt like it was rubberized, but maybe it's just the coating. Yeah, maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's the coating and the fact that it's titanium. It almost felt like it was rubberized, but it's not, so. Very interesting. Not a watch I probably would not have bought this for myself, so I really appreciate Chris sending it over. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon.